Well, here we go again. It's the next day after doing the radio. Radio's in. Just got to get the reverse camera working. I'll fiddle around with that after I get these mirrors in. I've got these Clearview mirrors, right? So basically, you take the cover off in behind here. There's a screw there. You take this cover off here. There's a screw there, and then you start down the bottom, working your way up and around here, popping it off. I've got a hanger to hang the door while I do it, and then I check to make sure everything's good. It has blinkers in it, I think. No, it doesn't. Right, no, so there's no blinkers in this, and all I've got is just in and out. I don't have the bifold, so it's got other connectors here for that, I would imagine, but I don't have any of that. 2009 model LandCruiser. Just going to put some tape there because that's where the clip came out of, and then I'll tape this over here, I think. I might tape all this in. Oh, there's a connector there, so one of those little things in there, so I've got to be careful where I put this. Yeah, there's a connector there. Yep. Anyway, I get to doing the other side. Basically, that's it. Hopefully it all goes back in. I know the mirrors are working, I just got to work out where I can put this. I might zip tight to that, hey? Bring that around, make it a bit neater. Bring it, zip tight all like that, maybe. That's all the same. Yep, alright. That's where I'm at now. Wish me luck for the other side. Clearview mirrors, and trying to keep the kids out of everything's a drama.